I want to teach you how you can actually buy a house today in 2025 and get a 30-year fixed mortgage rate in the twos. Yes, there's no scam here. There's no catch. There is a way you can buy a house today in 2025 with a rate 30-year fix in the twos. No, you're not going to get that by applying for a mortgage with any bank, broker, lender. That doesn't exist anywhere. But you got to be a little more creative. So, if you want to get a rate like that, what you're going to need to do is find a seller that's selling their home that has an existing mortgage on it that is an assumable mortgage, okay? So let us help educate. An assumable mortgage is mainly two different types. There's FHA loans and VA loans. Now, you're probably going most of you viewers are going to want to look for FHA loans, mainly because in order to qualify to assume a VA loan, you have to be a veteran that is, an eligible veteran like you, that you would be eligible to get and apply for a traditional VA mortgage. So if you're not a veteran, then, really the main type of assumable mortgage out there that you're going to be able to assume would be an FHA loan. So you need to find a seller who has an FHA loan on their house, and you're going to need a really good realtor to deal with that will, be able to, help find assumable loans. Now, with inventory going up drastically in a lot of areas in the country, the chances are even greater now that you're going to be able to find that. Obviously, lots of inventory in different areas. I don't want to name certain states, but it doesn't matter where you are. There are current sellers with FHA loans. So, for example, if a seller is trying to sell their house right now and they bought their house or they refinanced their mortgage in 2021 and got an FHA loan, and let's say the rate was 2.5%, then they got a 2.5% 30-year fixed mortgage rate. That's amazing. They can actually sell you their house as long as you qualify for that FHA loan. You can assume that mortgage. Basically, what that entails is you working with the mortgage holder who is holding their loan, and see what their process is. But it will be very similar to like what you would do applying for a traditional mortgage with your bank, broker, lender like Forte Financial, except you're dealing with the seller's lender directly to see if you qualify for that FHA loan. And if you do, based on FHA qualifications, you can assume that mortgage. Now, not that it's a catch, but the one thing to keep in mind is you can't alter those terms. So whatever those terms are,